on your test, there will be a couple of questions that you need to show your work. It will have the problem up here, and then it will give you a work area. Here you can choose the color. It doesn't bother me which color you pick. It's defaulted to red. You can leave it in red. So if it says work area, I'm using actually my mouse, and I know it's messy. We're doing the best we can, and each time, so my work, I would have to do this first, so it's 8 times -2 plus 11, and then -16 plus 11, and then that's -5. So I know it'll take a while for you to adjust to using the mouse. If you need to erase anything, the sad part is when you push clear, it undoes the entire thing. You could come back in here, change colors, 8 times -2 plus 11, that's acceptable because you did the parentheses, -16 plus 11, and then -5. That would be an acceptable, and you would get your credit. So on these order of operations and show your work, you are demonstrating to me that you know how to work out these problems step by step.